Hi, Michael Gaffney, and I'm going to show you how to make an arrangement right now. Easy breezy summer design. These are Monstera leaves. I love them. I use them as often as I can. I'm going to make a clip. I'm going to drop them in my container. I'm going to play with them. Move them around. Here's another bunch. Take some of these, put them in individually. It's pretty already. Now, I'm going to use that to hold my stuff in place. There you go. Now I'm going to take some Magnolia. Drop the Magnolia right in the center. Take your Magnolia, put it right into the middle. Look how your leaves are kind of holding it all together. Fun, easy, breezy design. I've been doing flowers for 30 years. I used to work on Wall Street in New York, and now I'm teaching design all over the country. We have schools. Go to Flower School 101. But back to my design. I'm going to do this whole design with mainly foliages. Greens and foliages are in right now. Everybody loves them. Check it out. That is Magnolia. Green on one side, brown on the other. So I've added my Magnolia. A little bit more Magnolia. Get it down there. Now I'm going to start with my Aspidistra leaves. There they are. Cool as can be. I'm just going to curl these and tuck these in. You can tape them in, but I'm just going to curl them in. Because I've been doing this a long time, so I know how to do that. You can also, you see people do this, stick it through a hole like that and use it that way. I can do that as well. Aspidistra leaves. Punch it right through the backside. Almost looks kind of like a bow, I call it. So I'm adding some loop-de-loos of Aspidistra. Easy contemporary design, perfect for your bachelor pad for a guy. Now, I put in my Aspidistra loops, and then I'm going to put in a little fall foliage coming out the sides, and a little bit of Leucadendron, just hovering on top. Masculine leafy designing at its best. If you want more information, go to Flower School 101. You'll see how I teach design in very fast, efficient, quick technique. Now I'm just going to pull out my lower leaves that I started with a little bit, ease them up a little bit. And let's say you're having a corporate meeting or contemporary meeting. Here is your design to go in the middle of that coffee table. You don't want anything too pink and flowery. You want something kind of tough. Here's the last item, some bear grass. We're gonna have this arching out to all the guys at the meeting, almost like fingers saying, watch out. It's called bear grass. I use it a lot. Very thin, you always enter it in clumps at a time, never single strand. And it just makes it look a little wild. Classes all over the country in 18 cities, as well as London, Paris, and Rome. We're gonna finish this design up. I'm gonna clean off my table, clear off the runway, get some close-ups. Michael Gaffney, Flower School 101. Join us in class and learn how to design. Take it out, back out, show it. flowerschool101.com